Look at it.
What up, YouTube?
What up, YouTube?
It's your girl.
It's your girl Keela coming at ya.
It's Mahogany.
Madeline.
John.
So we're getting ready to do our first mukbang. Maybe it's our second. We did one a while ago, but
Crab legs.
long time ago. So go down, look back, and check out that video.
So yeah, guys.
Can we go ahead and keep going? No. We're getting a phone call right now, but we're in the middle of the video. So this is going to be a quick mukbang. We stopped at Taco Bell. Mahogany was just inducted into the National Honors Society. And so we're coming from there. So we're just going to get in. We tried the little taco box. It comes with 6 chicken rolled tacos and 6 regular tacos. All right, so put them out here.
Excited.
And then it also you get to pick 3 sauces. We chose a guac, no double dipping.
Yeah, I'm not eating that guac.
And
so.
2 cheeses.
2 cheeses.
All right. The other option that they had was sour cream.
Where's the sour cream?
So I didn't get it because you know I'm lactose. All right, so let's get started, you guys.
Come sit down.
He has to let pee in it.
Okay.
He's letting the dog out.
Ready, set.
Say Makaya one of these.
She ain't getting nothing.
Tasty. Oh. What do you think about that shell?
How did that taste?
It's good. Something's a little.
There's some cheese and some butter.
I'm gonna get one of these to
Waffles
Makaya.
and cheese.
You probably should need to dip it in something because
That shell's hard.
I don't like that. What you think?
It's good.
Yep.
My
I think it's good, but I want to try and guac.
Whoever gonna dip in guac and go get some cheese, I gotta
You got
use
cheese
that
already
one.
inside.
Yeah, I'm using this one.
They got cheese inside.
Try it with the cheese on it.
Yeah.
No, that's chicken.
It's cheese and chicken part.
Would you buy it again?
These are good, but I feel like if they came out with a steak one, then these would be really too titty.
That's sauce.
I think we're good.
And we just have water.
Yeah,
So how does it feel
good.
getting that prestige award as a junior in high school?
Mom, you really acting like Be Lovely.
Who?
Be
It
Lovely.
feels pretty good.
She talks like that?
No, you acting like her.
Really?
No, I didn't
Yeah.
do
Well, I like watching her. But I'm trying to be myself. Have you guys ever tried these before? The chicken roll tacos?
They just brought
Comment down below. I thought they were going to taste more like a taquito, but they don't. It tastes like,
It looks like it, but
It tastes like corn chips.
yeah, it tastes like a corn chip.
Look at the baby. The baby had the other one.
Mom dip us off because I be dipping y'all in
Not
guacamole.
even grab the shell.
All right, so let's try taco. Well, we know
No,
what the
no,
tacos
no,
are.
the Rocco.
The Roco?
Well, we gotta go to bed because we ain't trying to be up all night long. Got some firing. Come on. Yeah, I wonder if you can substitute those for regular tacos. I'm sure you probably could.
Well, then you would just be a regular box, wouldn't it?
Mama, can you help me?
One thing I can't stand about Taco Bell is like we only live like 3 or 4 minutes away, right?
Yeah.
And before you get home, they be soft already. That should be making me mad.
You gotta eat on the way,
This is so crying.
if anything.
Oh, good.
It was.
You guys don't have to worry about this video being an hour or anything. Because I hate watching the hour-long ones.
Yeah, like Be Lovely.
Stop calling names, Maddie.
You
What
gonna
she
mess,
did
you gonna
was
mess it up because you watch it. You watch it every day, all day.
No, I don't.
No, why you keep saying that?
Because I don't watch Be Lovely.
Come on, everybody eat, because when I'm done, I'm cutting the camera off.
No, you ain't.
I'm beating Marty.
That's time for y'all.
I'm beating Marty.
Nope. No, you ain't.
I'm beating my little baby.
I'm using this as a spoon.
I was wondering what you was doing. You're terrible.
Sorry.
You want it? You want half? You want half? Okay.
Wanna grab some napkins?
Boy, they're generous with the lettuce, aren't they?
That's all they give you. I went and lettuce and some wet meat, I guess, because I don't want, unless they put them soggy,
Red meat out of the Dillons.
They'll give you enough lettuce, I'll tell you that.
unless they put it in soggy, taco shells.
Yeah.
And a little bit of cheese. I don't know what sauce to buy that. It's all lettuce.
So you comment below and tell us what you would like to see next. I like to cook a lot. We just have a good time. Don't
You
play.
cook a lot.
Don't play. Well, on the weekends.
But sometimes we eat pack of
I'm
noodles.
waiting for you to cook some peanut butter chicken.
What's your daddy always say?
Pack a noodle, pack a noodle.
Don't go wrong with it.
He always wants me to eat noodles and Hot Pockets.
The hot pockets be good though. He gets the Philly cheesesteak kind.
Maddie like that kind.
Mm-hmm.
Ever since he bought it.
Mm-hmm.
I like my mustard.
I like pepperoni.
Put your thing up under you so you can quit dropping
But one thing
crumbs
she don't
everywhere.
like is ham and cheese because
Yeah. But kids eat ham and cheese and I don't like it.
I like ham and cheese. It's pretty good.
I like meatball. Which I never tried.
Meatball's pretty good too, but Philly cheesesteak with mustard. You don't eat your Philly cheesesteak hot pockets with mustard?
No.
You missing out then, sir.
No.
This wasn't not enough food. I don't know what we was thinking.
Can't come now. It's good. I'm good though. But it's good.
Because we have another
Look
child
at Daddy.
who's not. Whoops!
And that's
No, stretch your arm!
I was trying to say something before you said that.
Sorry, you guys. We have another child, so I put one of those little crunchy things over there and one taco over there.
What you want from me?
Nobody sees it though. And anybody want half of this one?
How much
Next time we'll have to get like 2 of these. But it's late. Like I said, we just came from a sunrise, so we can't be really eat. We already.
I ate some cookies.
I didn't get no cookies, but that punch was fire though.
I don't have a little thingy.
I'm gonna see how.
I ate mine.
What can I say?
Maddie, I'm gonna use some of your cheese because I kind of want to see.
Oh!
I'm using a little bit.
Point.
Here.
Here, let me use yours as a scoop because we gotta save a little bit of cheese from Ohio to use.
I don't know why she didn't go to the program, so she shouldn't
She
go.
said she didn't want to come to my program.
Did somebody say they wanted some of this?
Mm-mm. She didn't want to come to my
You
program.
got like a weirdo.
Save some of that from Ohio.
Yeah, next time we can't. This ain't. Well, I guess for a serving size, it would probably be okay.
She didn't want to come to my service because it was too
I'm glad you put
cold
a
outside.
jacket on.
How dare she?
You hear me? Well, we're gonna work on.
I'm ranting right now.
Oh
Mm-hmm.
my God.
This is jail. I didn't have time to wipe off.
Nobody even knows this one.
I know I had the jacket on.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to go give a review on Taco Bell, this particular one, because it should be able to at least last till you get home.
I haven't drunk nothing yet. I don't know.
So how do you feel doing your first mukbang?
Good.
How'd y'all feel at my thing?
Dumb.
I was very excited.
Did you say dumb?
I was very excited, you guys.
No, Maddie bullies me. If you guys didn't know, couldn't tell.
I wouldn't buy them little chicken rolls no more.
I would.
You like them?
You just don't like the skin.
I didn't like them, period. I would rather have taco.
All I'm thinking about is Hulu.
Mama.
Finally getting to watch Naruto on my TV.
Well, I guess. I I guess John said he out of here. I thought I was gonna be the first one done.
Nope. Daddy was taking like this.
I have 2 Naruto shirts, but I'm deciding if I want to wear it or not. Because we're getting shadows tomorrow, and I don't want my shadow to think I'm weird. But that's my show.
Why would she think you weird?
Because Makai and them always say anime's weird.
It's just who you are. Doesn't necessarily make you weird.
By the way,
Did you watch Messy Monday yesterday?
I did. It was long, too.
Yeah.
Our mom out here.
I could never get enough of him, but I just didn't like the way it ended abruptly.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't like the way that mama got on there talking about they should squash it and got on there talking about if you still want to keep going, they can keep beating you up. That was so ratchet.
Right.
You
I wasn't even there, but I'm just saying right.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Right. But
Mama.
I like the show called Naruto. If you don't watch it, watch it. It's good, but they run weird.
Yeah.
Ooh, that fiery today is hot. And usually Diablo's hot for me.
Mama. You know Kimana's sister?
She's still acting ratchet?
Yeah.
You want me to call up there?
Yeah. Because she needs to shut up.
Do you want your mama to be a snitch?
Absolutely. I'm not going to get on there talking about she needs
Look
to
at this meat. This is raw. They cooked it in the microwave.
Is that what? It probably will be why the taco shells is always soft.
Yeah, but she still acting weird. Like when we was in the,
Why does she want to keep picking on second and third graders?
I don't know, but she needs to show her big lips
She got big lips.
and them bucky too.
Leave her alone. Well, what you want me to call up and tell the teacher that she's bullying you? Okay. Is she trying to fight y'all or something?
Talk about she ain't the one. Maddie ain't the one.
You wanted me to send your big sister up there to go talk to her? I mean, talk to the teacher?
No, but to hit the girl in the face.
No.
Yeah, I wish I was at the first second. Everybody that get her in the face.
You want to find a resolution?
No, I want to hear her.
Well, you're out of the camera.
My bro was really good.
Well,
That was delicious, y'all. I don't know how people be sitting up on here eating all that food like that. You're like they do that 12 taco challenge and stuff. It was good.
where you about to go?
Okay, Mom, help me figure out which shirt should I wear. Which shirt, if you were my shadow, which shirt would I wear to make you not look good? Hey guys, I spent $40 on Naruto shirts for Black Friday.
All right, guys, we're gonna try this country apple.
This one's Sasuke
What?
and Itachi.
We're gonna try my country apple, and
coming
it's
back
Gucci.
Mm-mm.
So Gucci.
We gotta do one thing in front of the camera at a time. You guys gotta excuse us because we just now learning how to
This
do
is
move that out the way.
So we have a.
Maddie,
it.
move! This is Kakashi.
Nobody cares about your shirts. Don't have me off throwing in trash.
You better not throw Kakashi
Are
in
you
the
done
trash.
Yeah.
Here, finish your
I'm gonna
taco.
wear this one.
I don't want that junk.
Did you see my
I
water?
don't want that warmed up.
Let me show you something.
All right, when do we say, okay, thanks so much for watching?
Right after I show you.
Thanks so much for watching.
Wait, don't touch nothing,
No.
Maddie. Oh my God, this is ruined.
And hit.
Is this ruined?
No, you can still post it.
Bye you like this? Well, we already have 14 minutes and we done.
Bye YouTube. Thank you so much for watching.
Wait, she got a short of Gucci. My birthday, I'm a Scorpio, you guys. My birthday's November
So here's the
13th.
Gucci.
So when I got back to work, I've been on vacation. Yesterday was my first day back. One of the girls on my team, she made me a Gucci basket, which had some like Gucci Rice Krispies, a Gucci candy apple,
And that
some some
It's dripping.
some
Gucci chocolate covered strawberries.
No, I'm not eating them.
And then clean that up right
That's okay.
there.
Mom already gave them to me.
No, she didn't give it to you.
And
Yes, she
some,
did.
she gave me some chocolate covered popcorn.
No, she didn't. That's regular popcorn.
And I got white chocolate over it.
Regular popcorn.
And it was in a cute little bowl basket. So
Oh, I get it.
Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching.
Can I get one?
Get in the camera and show them you eating my strawberry.
Can I get one?
No.
I don't care. Your nasty feet. No, anyway.
All right, you guys, have a good night. Peace, love, and blessings.
Cover
Don't
your
forget to
ears.
like, comment. I hate peace signs.
No.
I know you do.
Ready?
I mean, yeah, I can't stand them. That's just a pet peeve of mine. But
Let me tell y'all a funny story about that.
have a good night, you guys.
The boy at Mahogany School had a wing.